Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to change your widget username. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So after making research, you can no longer change your widget username. Once you have created your account, you have created your account. The only way you can change it, you can simply create a new widget account. But you can actually change your display name, which acts as your username. So I'm going to show you guys how to change your display name. Once you log in into your widget account, you click on your profile, after which you click my profile. Once you're there, you simply click on edit profile. After that, you click on your display name, so you can simply change it. After that, you click on save, but this does not change your username because you cannot change your username. That is a new policy from widget. After that, you click on save. But if someone search your display name on widget, the person is actually going to get your account. Thank you guys for watching.